Have you ever wondered why the topic of the end times scares so many people? What if I told you it actually reveals something deeper about our hearts? My dear brothers and sisters, many people tremble when they hear Jesus talk about signs, destruction, and the end of the world. But fear often comes when our hearts are far from God. Because when God is not part of our life, even small problems feel like the world is ending. But when God lives in your heart, no sign of the times can shake you. You know, Jesus tells us today, stand erect and raise your heads, because your redemption is at hand. You see, the real danger is not the end times. The real danger is refusing to let Jesus enter our lives. And the good news is this: as long as you are alive, there is still time to return. There is still hope. And Jesus is waiting for you. So today, let us come back to Him. Let us change our ways. Let us find peace again through confession and through giving God a space in our hearts. You know, with Jesus beside you, there is nothing to fear. Amen.